Look, hey, look here. Inside. Like the dinosaur. Oh, look. Look. Okay guys, hari ni Dafeena dengan Daddy nak main satu toys yang sangat menarik. Kita akan color. Okay, kita akan buat this one. Look camera. Kita akan buat dinosaur. Why? What happened to you?
Purple.
Colors.
Wow.
Raw. Okay. So kita akan color. Lepas tu kita akan ketuk lah untuk keluarkan dinosaur tu daripada telur tu. Okay. So jom. Okay, sit down. Okay, Tina. Tina, want to play? Nah, what is this?
Dinosaur.
Jom kita start. Tengok dia tengok tangan dia. No. Open. Okay.
Open.
Open eh?
Open.
Your one?
No.
Okay. Dia open. Yeah. Oh my. Okay, what color is this? Green. Blue. Yellow. And this one? Red. Okay. Jom kita play. Colors. What is this? Chica. Okay, this one? Hammer. This one? Brush. Okay, this one? Colors. And this one? Egg. Okay, let's color. This one is this one. Okay, colors. Let's colors. Okay. Open one color. Open two colors. Count with me.
Count, baby. I can see she's a cabin.
Okay. Take the brush. Look, ready color, okay? Look. Colors. Nah, colors. This one color. Nah. Oh my, sorry. Colors. Green dinosaur. What color is this? Green. Okay, and then kita nak buat warna orange. Kena ambil warna. Kena take red, and yellow. Colors. Become orange. So kita nak color orange dekat bawah sini. Dinosaur. Color. Pandainya. Oh my. Okay, color. Okay, yellow. Okay. Color. Pandainya. Blue. Okay, blue. Okay. Blue. Okay. And okay, color. This one, white color. Yellow. Okay.
How about
yellow? Okay. How about yellow? Okay. Pandainya. Okay. Color here. Green. Okay. Oh no. Dinosaur. Color the dinosaur. Color dinosaur. The eyes.
Dinosaur eyes.
Tick. You color. Okay, color. Red. How about red color?
Oh my.
Okay, continue. green. Okay, color.
Oh, wait, what's green?
This one, all the white. Okay, all the white color green. How about blue?
What's green? Blue.
Blue, okay, come. Okay, blue, go.
Ready?
Color blue here. Blue, okay. Color the white. Color the white. White color, blue. Okay.
White.
Color the white. Here. Pandai. Okay, done?
No.
No, okay.
Yellow. Really yellow. Really yellow. Wow. Green.
Green, okay. Color dragon. What is this?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur, okay.
The big dinosaur.
Okay.
Robot. See the dinosaur. I see dinosaur.
What color is that?
Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh no.
Shark. Oh no, it's shark.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Okay, quickly, color. Finish it.
Oh no.
Oh no. Color.
Green. Green. That's it. Color. That's it. Green.
Wow.
Dinosaur. But see the dinosaur.
Yes.
Okay, so next process kita akan ketuk untuk keluarkan dinosaur ni daripada telur tu. Okay nah, take this one. So mana ni? You cry? Why? We need to knock this, you see? Oh, cantiknya. Dia nak color lagi, dia tak nak habis lagi. Okay. You cry, okay, you cry. So, what's next?
No.
Bukan macam tu.
Nak lembut je.
Hello.
Hammer. Yes, hammer.
Chicken.
Ticket. Screwdriver. Kakas, apakah itu?
Ni dalam tu nampak. Nah, look, Daddy knock, look. Wow, look. Hey, look here. Inside. Like the dinosaur. Oh, look. Oh my. Knock. Okay, knock. Oh, knock some more. Knock. Hand. Okay. Jadi knock. Okay. Good job. Okay. Pandai. Okay, nanti one more. Daddy knock one more. Daddy knock one more. Okay. Your dinosaur friend. Okay. Oh.
You can do it.
Okay, then Daddy knock one more. Come. Daddy knock one more. Okay, Daddy knock one more. Okay.
One more.
Open. Hammer. Okay, take your hammer. Okay, pandai. Open. This one like this. Ni open. Yeah.
Oh my.
Now open this one. Yeah, harder. Wow. What is this? What dinosaur is this?
Big dinosaur.
T-Rex.
Sit up, T-Rex.
Habis. All done.
No, dinosaur.
dinosaur. Well done.
Cicak.
Good job. Okay. Okay, sampai sini dia video kita. So, see you in next video. Lebih banyak lagi video dengan Dafeena akan menyusul lepas ni. So, jangan lupa like, share dan subscribe YouTube channel ni. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye to camera. Bye.
Bye.